Is it impossible to make vegetables taste like real meat? Let's find out. It's time for another hot dish from Happy, Healthy, Why?
With Daddy!
You're not gonna eat any?
You gotta try at least a little.
I had a hard brewed thing before. So I don't know what the real one tastes like. Oh, but this is a lot of mayonnaise, like Carl Jr. A lot of mayonnaise, oh my gosh. What kind of a feeling?
I'm not really a fan of burgers.
I have a feeling like Jessica. A feeling.
That was pretty okay, I guess.
If you love mayonnaise, you'll love that. I like mayonnaise, so I was
A lot
okay,
of
pretty good.
mayonnaise.
Okay, now try this one. Oh. Oh, yes. It's real meat. Impossible Burger. Clearly taste the difference. Okay. Has a meat aftertaste yet? When you have like grilled meat or something. This one I could taste plants a little bit, but I wasn't fully sure. I was like, maybe that's just what Burger King tastes like. I was like, nope. But this was I would easily tell that was Impossible Burger. Which one I like better? This one. Do you like better?
They honestly don't taste that different. There's barely any difference. If you've had real meat before, then you can tell that's real meat. But if you haven't had real meat before, then you would think that this was real meat. There's like no difference. They're practically
There's a
the
little bit of
same.
aftertaste. It's closer than the Carl's Jr. I'll say that. To me, Carl's Jr.'s meat, this is just not even close to the meat.
You like the Impossible Burger?
I just don't taste the meat. I don't know what you're saying. What's the difference?
They look
You can tell this one tastes a lot more like plants. I don't know how to say it. Yes, they look the same, but they don't taste the same.
Which one
No.
is better to me?
If we were to buy one, if they cost the same, I guess the other one works for me. I'll go with the one's cheaper. Which I'm guessing, I think this one's cheaper.
I would eat Impossible Burger whenever we go to Burger King. If we go to Burger
Wow, this
King.
really tastes like meat. Pretty close, but no cigar.
Happy, Healthy, Wild Chef Barry here, reminding you to... Wait a minute, you're still here? Well, if so, then you might want to consider clicking on the like button or leaving a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. And you can also subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays with shorts on Thursdays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.